morning children, this is Jyoti. I am here to teach you SST on behalf of Jyoti Academy class 4th and chapter 1, our country India. Children, yesterday we have learnt about the fact of India and we also learnt about the position of India in the world map, and we learnt about the neighbor countries of India. And today we will learn more fact about the India. Okay, let's start. Look at and you will find the political map of India given below. Children, this is the Indian political map. India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories, including the national capital territories of Delhi. We all know, children, how many states in India? 29 states like UP, MP, Punjab, Karnataka, Gujarat, etc. Okay, and 7 union territories like Andaman Nicobar and Damandeep, etc. Okay, children, what is the meaning of union territories? Union territories means state of India which have their own government. They directly governed by the central government of India. Okay, children, in picture you are seeing the Indian political map, and this is the position of Delhi. This is also a union territories. Okay, in the extreme north of our country lies the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Children, extreme means the last possible position. Okay, so in the direction of north in India, that belongs to Jammu and Kashmir. And Kanyakumari is the southern tip of mainland of India, and in the direction of south, the last possible position, that is Kanyakumari, and Kanyakumari belongs to the state of belongs to Chennai state. Okay, Kanyakumari belongs to Chennai state, and this is the southern tip mainland of India, means this is the last south mainland of India, that is Kanyakumari. And now we see the position of Kanyakumari and Jammu Kashmir in this map. Children, this is the Jammu and Kashmir, and this is the north, extreme north position of India, and this is the southern part of India, and this is the position of Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari belongs to Chennai state. Okay, this is the south and this is the north of India. Okay, next is from Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south, our country is about 3,219 km long. Children, the distance between Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, north to south, the distance is 3,219 km. Okay, and from Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east, it is about 2,977 km. Children, in the east, this is the east of India, and this is the position of Arunachal Pradesh, and this is the west position of India, and this is the position of Gujarat, and the distance between east to west, that is 2,977 km. Okay, next is the maximum width of India is at the center. The maximum width, children, in picture you are seeing the maximum width in India at the center. Okay, this is the center of India. Okay, it decreases while going to southward. When we move towards the south, it decreases, the width of India decreases. Okay, the southern part of India is surrounded by 3 big water bodies. Children, the southern part of India surrounded by three big water bodies. In the east, the Bay of Bengal. Children, this is the position of Bay of Bengal in the map, and it belongs to the direction of east. This is the east direction. East. Okay, and Bay of Bengal belongs to east. In the west is the Arabian Sea. Children, this is the east and this is the west, and this is the position of Arabian Sea. So Arabian Sea belongs to the direction of west. Okay, this is the Arabian Sea. In the west, the Arabian Sea, and towards the south is a Indian Ocean. In the map, we are seeing the position of Indian Ocean and the direction of south. This is the southern part of India, and Indian Ocean belongs to the direction of south. Okay, and towards the south is the Indian Ocean. India is the only country in the world which has an ocean after its name. Children, all over the world, India is the only country which has an ocean after its name, that is Indian Ocean. Okay, this is all about today, and remaining chapter we will read tomorrow. I hope you will understand and revise whatever I told you about the directions and the position of Jammu Kashmir and Kanyakumari, Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat, etc. Okay, revise it at your home, and remaining chapter we will read tomorrow, and also we will solve the exercise. Thank you.